Hey guys, it's Alex from Genie Outdoors. I just caught this bass and Garrett's getting a bite as we speak. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bass off. Set the camera down. Calm down. Caught him on Garrett's H2O Express hook.
No. I don't think so.
No? I'm gonna need pliers because I hooked him. Oh, got it. Nice bass. I'm gonna release him now. Okay. Oh, I think he wants to go. Ready? Right? Oh, he's gone. Alright, bye.
And Alex randomly tried to test out the lure that he just put on and caught this ginormous bass for the canal. Right there. Right there. The water's still muddy. Ginormous.
Look at this thing!
Ginormous.
Okay, bye.
Strangely, let the camera get it. Strangely, they've all been caught on H2O Express.
Okay, stop the video. Guys, it's Alex from Genie Outdoors. I'm using my bobber, and I was letting that grass right there pass, and I set it down, and then this little guy, this little bass comes up and takes it. I'm going to pliers here. This happens to me all the time. I do not know why, and it randomly never happens to Garrett. Using my double hook right now. Using a mullet. You get him? Again, I can't get this. What did y'all help? Right. Okay, there we go. Hate when I hook them bad. Okay, there we go. Okay, good little bass. I'm gonna release him now. Hopefully he'll go. Oh, there we go.